News Live First Alert Storm Team has issued a weather alert day.
All right, well, it's been a rough day, and let's get right to the headlines here as we go through the rest of the night. Most of the snow and ice is going to shift eastward. The rain will exit our area completely. We will continue to see snow through around 3 a.m. Then after that, it'll start exiting off to the east. Very slippery, very dangerous conditions, and we'll still have ice accumulations possible in our eastern counties as that shifts eastward. Then by Friday morning and as we go through midday, things will gradually improve condition-wise, but it'll be very slippery out there. Winter storm warning here through the central Red River Valley, where you see the red counties. That's surrounded by a winter weather advisory. Hey, thunder snow gets us excited. South of Aberdeen and Brown County right there, well, about 2 hours ago. All of this on the radar here, lighting up and showing us that we have bands of heavy snow. You're used to seeing that. We don't always show you target correlation, but it is a way for us to help depict areas as meteorologists where the clouds have snowflakes in them and where they have mixed precipitation. Where it's red, their correlation is very high. That means the targets are alike each other, and that means snowflakes likely through Grand Forks, Crookston, Thief River Falls, Newfoundland, all the way up into western Roseau County. But here, this colorful menage right here, that is where we have likely snowflakes mixing with sleet or maybe even some grapple. We had sleet to the tune of 1.5 inches here in Fargo, and it continues. Looks like snow on the radar. Why? Well, this image is made based on temperature structure, but when we look a little closer, we can see ice out near Barnesville, Detroit Lakes, western Becker, all the way up into the Natiwash and Mahnomen areas, and Borup as well. Snowflakes here where you see the red. That's what we're seeing. That snow is heavy. It's accumulating quite quickly, and it looks like it's going to be here for some time. The snow machine is over the valley right now. Thunder snow down to the south as mentioned. Here is a live look from our tower cam, our Valley Sky Cam pointed down, and just a report from one of my colleagues, Alex, thanks so much. He said those snowflakes are bigger than Hutch's stomach after a pile of pizza rolls. Thanks, Alex. All right, your current conditions, 20 degrees. As temperatures plummet, it's going to remain icy and cold, and those winds are going to make it feel even colder. Teens up to the north and west. Look at this. Here's the freezing line. And we've been tracking that throughout this event. It has slid all the way off, but look, it is still 41 in Badette. Can you believe that? Babe the Blue Ox at 32 degrees. That line is going to keep moving off to the east. Here's your hour-by-hour forecast. As we go through the evening, the snow will continue to stay put right here in the valley, and the accumulation will be significant in some spots. Off to just to the west of us, there's a sharp cutoff line. You're probably done in places like New Rockford and out towards Maddock, although we could see a little bit of snow there. Here's the ice, which accumulated to the tune of a couple of tenths of an inch here in the Fargo-Moorhead area. That continues to slowly slide east, and that will be replaced with the snow and some sleet and accumulating sleet as well. Where you see the purples here, that's some heavy, rapidly accumulating snow not far from us here in Fargo, shifting up to the north and west. By the time we get beyond 1:30 at night, this thing is going to ship out. Thank goodness. Behind it, cold winds, but at least for the rest of the day, we'll have increasing sunshine. Not warmth, though. It's going to be a cold one out there, and it'll be breezy as well as we clean up from this system. How much additional moisture? About 1/2 of an inch to an inch where you see the dark blues, less than that elsewhere. And notice the shift. This is the same forecast we've had for the last couple of days. Heaviest snow, northwest Minnesota, still 4 to 8 for some of you. 2 to 5 Fargo and surrounding communities, including Grand Forks, where you've already got 5 inches of snow. I hope you don't get 5 more. That wouldn't be fun. The icing potential, 1/10 or more, is going to shift into Lakes Country. Please be extra careful late tonight and tomorrow morning as you take to the roads. This weather is for the birds. A lot of them showed up early thinking spring was here, and they got a surprise. Thanks for your Crookston view there, Donna. And a look at your forecast. Saturday, we start rebounding in Fargo, 39 degrees. We'll continue to melt snow as we go through the weekend in 40s with unsettled weather remaining through Palm Sunday. Mike, next week, we're eyeballing a storm system after we really warm up that hits Friday into Saturday. We're going to keep you posted on that. That looks like it could be a Central Plains doozy. We'll have the latest for you here.
All right. Thanks so much. After